Hello friends, we will develop the technique how to attend the problems of shares and dividend. Firstly, we have to go through the meaning of each and every term. What is share? Do you know? Suppose I have to start my online classes. For starting up business, I need 10,000. I don't have money. I am coming to you. Give me some money. You say, sir, I got 200 rupees. I am going to another person. Give me some money. He is saying, I got 500 rupees. What I will do, I will divide 10,000 rupees into 100 units. 1 unit consisting of 100 rupees. Suppose you got 200. That means I will give you 2 units. A person got 500. That person will be given 5 units. In that way, we will just divide the burden on each and every individual who is coming into our business. So, we are giving the nominal value to each unit, that is known as the face value or nominal value. So you got the meaning of face value, and nominal value is the price of one share originally that is available by the company. Now I am making some profit. The profit is not mine alone because everybody invested. So share of the profit will go to everyone, and that profit is known as dividend. So whatever profit, suppose I am making a profit of 10%. So 10% of each one's investment will be given to the person who has invested. That is called dividend. So dividend is the return given by the company, profit made by the company. So second term we got dividend. Now my share is of great value. Everybody is saying that I am making profit. They will just approach you once I have allotted the shares. That is not available with me now. That is available with the candidates who got it. Now they will approach to the candidates. I want share. What you will say? No, this is good share. I bought it for 100, but I won't sell it at 100. I will charge 150. I will charge 130. That is actually the market value of the share. So 3 terms you got: face value, dividend, and the market value. Now what is happening? If I am selling a share of face value 100 at a premium of 20%, that means 100 plus 20% of 100, that is 120 rupees. 120 rupees is coming out to be the market value. Suppose my share is not performing well and somebody is approaching you, I want shares, and it is not performing well. You want to get rid of these shares. You will sell the shares at some discount. So if a share is available at 10% discount, so the market value of the share will be 100 minus 10% of the 100. Here we are assuming that the nominal value or face value is 100. It can be 10 rupees. It can be 50 rupees. That will be mentioned in the question. But as a standard, we are taking it as 100. So after discount, the market value is coming out to be 90 rupees. So what we got the terms here? Premium. That means it is above par. Above par means its price is higher than its nominal value. Below par, at discount, its price is lower than its nominal value. At par, its market value is same as its face value. So you got the meaning of premium, you got the meaning of discount, You got the meaning of at par, you got the meaning of above par and below par as well. So now you are just used to got the meaning of all the simple terms used here. Now we will see some formula. Okay. See here, dividend percent is known as also the total income. It is also known as income, and that is equal to, you need not have to remember, you can derive it very easily. If I am making a profit of 10%, that means 10 by 100 into the value of a share into the number of units of got. So the percentage dividend is equal to total income. I am just writing total income is equal to dividend percent by 100 into face value into number of shares. So this is the formula for income, total income. You just see how many variables are used here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4 things, if 3 things are known, you can just put and find the 4th one easily. Suppose income is given, face value is given, number of shares is given, you can find the dividend percent. Dividend percent is given, face value is given, and is given, you can find the total income. So we can use one formula in multiple ways according to the requirement, what is given and what we have to find. Second thing we will see. Now I'm just going to buy the shares from the market. So what will be my investment? Investment is equal to, that means total money I am putting in for buying the shares is equal to market value into number of shares. Suppose the share is available at 120 rupees and I have to buy 10 shares. My investment is 1200. Very important and equally very simple formula. I am telling you, in 10th class nothing is tough. Just if your translation is okay and your basic understanding is okay, everything will be under your control. So from here we can derive another formula also. N is equal to investment by market value. Suppose we know the investment, that I made investment of 15,000 and I got 100 shares. What is the market value of that? This is known, we can find this. This is known, we can find this. This known, we can find this. We can use the formula in multiple ways. Another very important formula I am going to discuss is percentage return, known as percentage income, known as percentage yield, percentage income, percentage yield. If we are putting some money to buy some shares and we are waiting what the company is paying us dividend, so on our investment, how much percent we are getting? Because we haven't got the share at nominal value, at the face value, we have got the shares from market. So dividend percent is on face value, but on what return we are getting on our investment. Very simply you can write total income, that we know, this is by total investment into 100. Very simple. That income we are getting from the company and that is our investment. So the percentage return we can get very easily. If we just go for little bit of simplification, we can just write D percent into FV into number of shares by 100 into total investment, we know market value, into N into 100. Very simple. If we know NN is getting cancelled, if we know just dividend percent, we know face value and market value, we can get the percentage yield very easily. These are very simple 3 formula which we will be using to solve the problems once we are translating it correctly and forming the equation. One more thing is involved. Sometimes I see student ask, what is sale proceed? What is happening? I am selling certain number of shares. Suppose I am selling at 150 rupee one share and I am selling 100 shares. So that money is coming to me and that money is known as sale proceed that I will be investing somewhere else. So that is known as sale proceed. So what is actually sale proceed? Sale proceed is the total money we are getting on selling. And now we are going with that sale proceed to buy another type of shares. So for another type of shares, that is going to be the investment. So if I am just going to buy shares of market value 125 of another type, with that much money, how many shares I will get? I can get like this. This is the investment by number of shares is equal to how many shares I am buying. If investment by market value is the number of shares I am buying. So investment here is 150 into 100, and if the market value of second type of share is 125, I will get that many shares. Sometime it is asked, we have got the option to invest in one type of shares and in another type of share. Which is better option? That will be decided by the actual percentage return. That will be decided by the percentage return. Whichever share is giving us more percentage return is the better share. Simply it is given in the question, rupee 100 share available at 150. You can easily get the meaning. 100 rupees is face value, 150 is market value, available at 150, giving a dividend of 5%. Dividend percent is 5%. So we can get the meaning of the value of each and every variable very easily once we read it carefully. Hope you are understanding shares and dividend very well. Just go through the assignments I am giving you, solve it carefully. I will be giving you the solutions as well. But see how much you are understanding. Thank you.